Welcome in, guys. In today's video, we're talking about a stock that I am buying again because I just can't pass up these prices. And that's right, we're talking about ticker symbol CCL, Carnival Cruise Line, man. This was actually the first stock that I started to buy in my stock market journey. A little over a couple years ago, I became an investor during the pandemic. I'm a huge, and they say always invest into a company that you love, and I love cruising. Me and my family love cruising, and we've always cruised on Carnival Cruise Line. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about why I bought this stock and why I'm bullish on this stock for the future. So first, look at the price action here today. The stock was up 3.5%. On the 5-day, the stock is down 10%. On the 1 month, it's down 30%. On the 6-month, down 32%. Year to date, down 43%. And we know, guys, this one here had a rough time in the market because Rona shut down everything. They were shut down for almost 1.5 to 2 years. And there was a pent-up demand of people stuck at home, couldn't go do anything. And now you can go cruise. You do have to be vaccinated and all that. You have to provide that and the negative test result to get onto the cruise. And actually, we got a cruise coming up at the end of July. We'll be going on Carnival Mardi Gras. So like I said, how can you not be happy to invest in a company that you just love and you love cruising? So anyway, what I wanted to go over here is Carnival has this out on their news page. And you're seeing a lot of the inflation talk, raising rates and things like that. Well, that doesn't matter when it comes to travel, in my personal opinion. If people have money, they're going to go take that week out of the year and go treat themselves. And this is, as you're seeing here in this little chart right here they got. I'm going to put this over here. Travel enthusiasm is back. Out of 21.3 million online users, key travel terms. And here you can see 58% increase in travel confidence since January. 247% drop in use of the term staycation since 2020. 41% decrease year over year. 63% expressed optimism about travel in 2022. And there is a great this full article here where the University of Florida and Carnival Cruise Line studies find shifts in travelers' priorities for this summer. And this is the stuff they came up with here. And you can see here this article, Carnival has welcomed 2 million guests since the restart, guys. So yes, they're starting to get more ships out on the water, and they're getting more people on the ships. People is ready to go do things. They're ready to get out and go travel. And this one here is just the perfect stock for that, perfect stock to buy in this kind of environment, because I don't think the raising rates and stuff is really going to affect this one. We're still going to go cruising regardless. That's the bottom line. They can raise the rates all they want. Inflation can be out there. We're still going to go cruising as long as they don't jack up the price on the cruise. I think they'll be in good shape, because overall, I think a cruise is a much more affordable vacation than a land-based vacation. Just my personal opinion, because I like you pay the certain price, and that's pretty much it on a cruise, unless if you're going to gamble, buy souvenirs, drink alcohol, things like that. Pretty much all your food, entertainment, and all is pretty much included. All right, so we got to talk about this here. There is a little bit of gloominess over the stock. Carnival Corporation, oops, sorry about that. Carnival Corporation announces closing of the $1 billion senior unsecured notes due 2030, refinance 2023 maturity. So they got here today, announced they had a closing of a private offering of $1 billion aggregate principal amount of 10.5% senior notes due in 2030. So it's going to come a while before they have to start paying this back. So it's going to be due by 2030. The senior notes will pay interest semi-annually, June 1st and December 1st each year, beginning December 1st, 2022. So they got a while to, have to start paying on this at a rate of 10.5% per year. Callable beginning June 1st, 2025. The senior unsecured notes are unsecured and will mature on June 1st, 2030. So there is more details down here. It says the company expects to use net proceeds of the offering to make scheduled principal payments on debt during fiscal year 2023 for its general corporate purposes. So there you go. They're starting to look to repay that back, guys. This is one, like I said, this stock got hit hard because of the pandemic. And getting a cruise and restart. The CDC was not very friendly to the cruise line, so they had to go through a bunch of hurdles to get things up. Also here, I received the email from Royal Caribbean and how they're doing. So not just Carnival, but Royal Caribbean's also doing well. It says the boldest fleet is now complete. And it says here, all 26 ships have returned to service, taking vacation memories to the max. Over 2 million guests and counting since we began the royal comeback. So Carnival and Royal Caribbean both have had over 2 million returning guests, guys. And we couldn't be more grateful to our loyal guests, crew, and partners who made this epic milestone possible, from Oasis class to Freedom class and all that. All 26 ships are back to sea at Royal Caribbean. More than 2 million guests have sailed. They got 24 home ports, 137 ports of call, and I mean, you got adventure starting at $199. Now, like I said, this is Royal Caribbean. I prefer to go on Carnival. I probably will take a Royal Caribbean down the road. But I think I'm working on the one I take this year be my 7th Carnival cruise. So yeah, I'm trying to get to that platinum status, man. I'm currently in the gold status, and I'm trying to get up to the 75 days on sea to get the platinum status. So that would be pretty nice. Yeah, so I'm trying to get the platinum, guys. 75 days. So we got a cruise booked this year, end of July. We got a cruise booked next year in mid-June. So like I said, man, people's going to buy these. They're going to pay on them. They're going to have money rolling in. And once the cruise lines can lift the vaccine mandate, I just see this really taking off. And they'll probably have ships pretty much at full capacity once the vaccine mandate is gone. There's a lot of people that want to cruise, but they don't want to get the vaccine, so they have to wait till that is lifted. So once that is lifted, I think it'll be a huge game changer for the stock. Now, what I want to say also, guys, you can also join my channel membership. You can click the blue join button here. You can join as little as $2.99 a month, and you can pick what tier you want. I put a buy alert in here I'm going to show you. So we did a stock buy alert. I bought CCL stock. We bought this yesterday, and I bought the stock in the 11s. It just feels right in my opinion. I put how I'm a huge cruising fan. Ships are selling, generating revenues despite possible recession. People is going to travel. They need a break from reality. Comment your thoughts on the cruise stock. So I have an average cost around in the 12s. I was buying this actually when it hit in the 13s. And I was just like, man, I just can't pass this up. And it just kept going down and down and down. And seeing this here in the 12s, it's just like I bought in the 11s. And I'm completely fine with buying this stock. In my personal opinion, anything under $15, I'm good at buying the stock. So as I get funds coming in, I'll keep buying this one up, man, and accumulating my shares, because the Saudi is still back in Carnival Cruise Line as well. So like I said, this is just a win-win. Also, if you don't know, if you have 100 shares of Carnival stock and you book a cruise, you can also get a onboard credit to your account. So that's another perk as well to keep that in mind. Go on Carnival. Call them up, tell them you have 100 shares. You have to prove you have the 100 shares, I think, within 30 days of selling, and you'll get an onboard credit for your cruise. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Peace.